Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will see what is contain and a lookup value function in DAX, and we will see how to use these two function inside a Power BI report. So to understand these two function, let us consider a business use case, which is how to bring my customer name column from my product table to my sales table. So let's see how these contain and lookup value which differ from each other and how it is used inside Power BI. So let's start in Power BI desktop now. So now we are inside Power BI desktop and we are using an electronic store dataset. So let's see how this contain function which works in Power BI. So this contain function which helps to search a particular text in a column. So this is moreover similar to a search operation. So let us create a new measure and let's see how this contain function works. So I will give a title like contains. So I will use my contain function, and if you see the syntax, it requires the table name and the column name. So I'm going to use my product details table. So I'm going to search a particular category in my category column. So I'll use my category column. So the value which I'm going to search is laptop. And the text which we are giving in the value field should be given exactly like it is present in my column. So only then this contain function which works properly. So I will give us a laptop and I will close this measure. So now I will bring this measure and put this in a card visual. So now you can see that my function which returns true, which means I have this laptop value in my category column. So this is how my contain function works to search a particular text in a column. So now instead of laptop, let me give simply lap. So let's see how this measure gives the result now. So now you can see that my measure just gives me false. That means it cannot find a particular text in this column. So now you can understand that in my value field, the search text which should be given exactly like it is present in my column. So let me rewrite this to laptop. And now this contain measure which gives me true, since it can able to search my laptop text properly in the column. So this is how contain function which works inside Power BI to search a particular text from the column. So now let's move on to our next function, which is lookup value. So this lookup value function, which is very similar to my VLOOKUP function, which is present in my Excel, but it has some few changes in it. So let us see how it works inside Power BI. So we have this store sales table. This is our fact table. So if you see the data model, this store sales fact table is connected with my product detail table with this common product ID column. So for this business use case, I just want to bring my product name column to my store sales table. So let us see how we can bring this column using this lookup value function. So if you see our sales table here, we have this product ID column, which is the common column which is present in my product table as well as in my sales table. So this is our lookup value column. So using this product ID column, I'm going to bring my product name into my sales table. So let us see how we can use this lookup value function to extract my product name. So I will create a new column here. Let me give a title like product name. So here I will use my lookup value function to extract the details from other table. So the result column, which is my product name column from the product table. And the search key to bring the column in my sales table is a product ID column. And then the search key which is common in my sales table is, which is also my product ID column here. So I will use the product ID column which is present in my sales table. So this is the search value which is useful to extract the values from other table. So let me close this measure. So now this lookup value function will use my product ID column from these both tables, and it will use that as a search key, and it will extract my product name column for that matching records. So let us see the result for this lookup value function. So now we have created a new column called product name, and my lookup value function which used my product ID column, and it searched in my product table, and it extracted the product name into my sales table. So now we have the details of product name for each sales happened. So this is how we can use this lookup value function to extract the details from other tables. So the only difference which is there in this lookup value function with respect to my VLOOKUP is, let me give an example like by filtering to particular product ID. So let me filter to 83. So now for this product ID 83, we have extracted the product name from my product table. So the difference is, I will also filter 83 in my product table. So the difference is, in my product table, I have the unique list of product IDs. But in case if I have the another duplicate row for this product ID 83, then this lookup value function will fail. And these are the one of the difference between my lookup value function and the VLOOKUP function in Excel. And this is how we can use our contain function and lookup function inside Power BI report. And I hope you understood these two functions with respect to different business use case. And thanks for watching this video.